Namaste dear students, welcome back to EVS session. In our previous class we learned about our earth and locating a place. I hope you have all completed classwork, homework as well as textbook exercises. Today we will learn a new lesson. Now let's begin the class. Do you all wear same clothes every day? No, we wear different types of clothes every day. Why do we wear different clothes? It is because we want look good and also according to the weather we wear different types of clothes. Which clothes do we wear in hot weather? We wear cotton clothes in hot weather. Which clothes do we wear in cold weather? We wear woolen clothes in cold weather. Like that, according to seasons, we wear different types of clothes as well as we eat different food. Dear children, today we will learn a new lesson, seasons. Now let's begin the class. What is season? What is weather? What is the differentiate between season and weather? Now let's learn one by one. First we learned about weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere with respect to heat or cold, wet or dry. Weather is the mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Then what is weather? Weather means a day can be sunny, rainy or cold. The condition of a day is called weather. Weather keeps on changing from day to day and sometime from hour to hour. For example, it might be sunny in the morning and rainy at night. Next we learned about season. When the weather remains the same for few months, it is called season. All the seasons have different kinds of weather. There are many seasons in India. We have summer, rainy, winter, autumn and spring. Now let's learn one by one. In summer, when the weather is too hot and sun shines brightly, it's called summer. We have summer in April to June. People use sunglasses, hats and umbrellas when outside. People like to have mangoes and watermelon during this season. We can keep ourselves cool by wearing loose cotton cloths. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners in summer. We drink plenty of water in this season because we sweat more in summers. Avoid soft drinks and more ice creams in these seasons because they are harmful for our health. People like to go to hill stations in summer because at hill stations weather is cool. In summer season, we are celebrating different festivals in different states and we also prepare different food according to the season. In our Karnataka, in summer season, we are celebrating two main festivals. One is Yugadi and another one is Ram Navami. Yugadi. Yuga means an era. Adi means new beginning. In Ram Navami, we prepare Panaka because in summer we need plenty of water and energy. That's why we prepare Panaka. Children, we have to celebrate all the festivals and know the reasons. And we have to follow Bharatiya values and culture that is very important that help us to develop ourselves. You can see the pictures. In the first picture, people are welcoming New Year, that is Yugadi. In the second picture, you can see people are celebrating Ram Navami. Next is rainy season. After summer comes the rainy season. The rains come in June or July. Sometimes there are dark clouds for days and it keeps raining. People wear raincoats or use umbrellas when they go out. Our farmers wait for the rainy season because crops need rainwater to grow. Cold, wet winds blow from the sea. These winds carry rain and are called monsoon. Heavy rain sometimes causes flood. Floods can destroy life and property. The season that comes after rainy and before winter. During the months of October and November, the weather is neither hot nor cold. The trees shed their leaves. This is called the autumn. December, January, and February are the coolest months. We call this season winter. In really cold places, it snows in winter. Icy winds blow at night. People light fires and uses heaters to stay warm. They also wear woolen cloths. We enjoy having hot drinks like tea and coffee. By the end of February, the air gets warmer. The breeze feels light and fresh. There are flowers everywhere. Butterflies, bees, birds, all of nature seems happy. We call this season spring. Not all days in a season are alike. Some summer days are hotter than others. Some days there are storms. Some days in winter are very cold. Some days are cloudy and wet. Weather means how hot or cold a day is. It also means how sunny, cloudy, windy, or rainy a day is. All of you open page number 74, lesson number 16, Seasons. Today we will do textbook exercises. Section A. Amen. Tick the correct answers. First question. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners during option A winter, option B summer, option C spring. We use fans, coolers and air conditioners during summer. All of it tick option B summer. Second question. Trees shed their leaves during option A winter, option B spring, option C autumn. Trees shed their leaves during autumn. All of it tick option C autumn. B main. Circle the odd one in each group. First question. Summer, winter, autumn, Christmas. Summer, winter, autumn, these are seasons. Christmas is a festival. All of it tick Christmas. Second one. Sea, rain, rainbow, rainy season. Sea is the odd one because rain, rainbow and rainy season which is comes under rainy season, and sea is the form of water. Section B. Amen. Tick the correct answer. Trees have new leaves during option A spring, option B autumn, option C winter. Trees have new leaves during spring. All of it tick option A spring. B main. Fill in the blanks correctly with the words given below. They already gave answers. First question. During summer, the sun shines dash over us. During summer, the sun shines directly over us. Second question. We should drink plenty of dash during summer. We should drink plenty of water during summer. C main. Answer the following questions. I will send these questions in the PDF format. Please write those questions and answers in your EVS classwork. Dear children, this is all about seasons. I hope you have all enjoyed the video. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep reading. Okay, dear children, we will meet in our next class. धन्यवाद.